Dear brothers and sisters, today my podcast will be on the subject Diwali festival, which is celebrated by Indians and over the world. This is the most popular festival in the country, which is celebrated in all the states of the country with joy and happiness. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. It is mostly the Hindu festival of lights, which is celebrated not only by Hindus but also by other religions. This year, the main festival will be celebrated on November 4th, but it is celebrated over a period of 5 days. Diwali is significant of its massive popularity and brilliant display of the fireworks, and it symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, good over evils, and knowledge over ignorance. On this day, diyas, candles, and lamps are placed all round the house. Each house is decorated with colored lights and diyas. The celebration of Diwali also serves as a cleaning rituals and told the past years' worries and troubles must go and light should come. In the days, all family members togetherly clean, renovate, and decorate their respective households and workplaces with rangolis and diyas. On the day of celebration, people dress themselves with new clothes and pray to the various goddess and gods as per family tradition. The origin of Diwali differs from region to region. Some believe that Diwali is the celebration of goddess Lakshmi's marriage to Lord Vishnu. In certain regions like Bengal, the festival is dedicated to goddess Kali, the dark goddess of strength. In other regions, devotees pray to Lord Ganesh, but in all mythology, history, Diwali remarks the day that Lord Rama returns to Ajodhya after the exiles of 14 years long. His return is significant due to the victory over demon king Ravana. It was the celebration of their king's return so that people of Ajodhya illuminated the kingdom with diyas. Over the century, Diwali has become a national festival that's also enjoyed by non-Hindu communities. Diwali is celebrated over 5 days. The names of the 5 days of Diwali vary by regions to region. Each day has its own set of tradition and rituals. The uniqueness of the festival is its harmony with all type of people and also with other religions. I will talk the importance of the festival of 5 days. First day of Diwali is called Dhanteras. That means on that day, Ma Lakshmi came out of the ocean with a pot of gold. It means wealth and prosperity. So the houses and business places are cleaned and decorated. Floors are decorated with bright colors called rangoli, which serves as symbol of good luck and welcome guests and Ma Lakshmi. The diyas are lighted in every rooms of the home all night long so that dark cannot enter. Sweets and prasad are offered to Ma Lakshmi. This is a major shopping day, especially new clothes and ornaments. On second day, people also decorate their home with clay lamps and create design pattern called rangoli on the floor using colored powders. Narka Chaturdashi, also known as Choti Diwali, is the second day of festival. A mythological story of the festive day is the destruction of Asur, Narkasur, by Lord Krishna and victory that frees 16,000 imprisoned princes kidnapped by Narkasur. Narka Chaturdashi is also a major day of purchase of festive foods and sweets. Choti Diwali is a day for visiting friends, business associates and relatives and exchanges gift. On the second day, Hanuman Puja performed especially in Gujarat. Diwali is also celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ajodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana and completing his 14 years of exile. The dedication and devotion of Hanuman pleased Rama so that he blessed Hanuman to be worshipped before him. So people worship Hanuman first before the day of Diwali. The third day is the height of festival. This is the day when Hindu, Jain, Sikh temples and homes are with lights, thereby making the festival of lights. As the evening approaches, celebrants will wear new clothes. Teenager girls and women in particular wear sari and jewelry. Family members gather for Lakshmi Puja and prayers will be offered for Ganesh, Saraswati Puja, Lakshman, Sita and Hanuman. After the puja, people go to outside and celebrate by lighting patakha, fireworks together. On Diwali, the focus is on the puja dedicated to Ma Kali. On the fourth day, it celebrates the bond between the wife and husband and celebrate with the gifts to their wives. Parents also invite their daughters or sons to celebrate the Diwali. In some other state, the fourth day is celebrated as Govardhan Puja, honoring God Krishna. The last day of the festival is called Bhai Dooj. It celebrates the sister-brother bond, similar festival to Raksha Bandhan. It is a most important festival in India. Nowadays, it is being celebrated in most of the country in the world. The festival of Diwali has a special significance in Hinduism for peace and happiness. Many believe that Diwali day marked Lord Rama's coming home after 14 years of exile. Other states included Diwali celebrates the coming of goddess Kali in some places. Essentially, all these stories are full of joy, hope and faith which bind the family, friends and relatives. So I wish all brothers and sisters to bring healthy, wealthy, happiness and love. May all your dreams come true at this Diwali. Let each diya of your light brings a glow of happiness at your face and enlighten your soul. I pray God on this Diwali to bless all with peace, prosperity and fortune. Lastly, I wish Happy Diwali to you and your family members. May the darkness go away and new hopes come to your life. Have a Happy Diwali to all of my brothers and sisters with prosperity. If you like my podcast, do follow me on Spotify or any other platform you are listening to me. If you are watching my post on YouTube, please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you again. Happy Diwali to all.